This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Carmen Washington. Beautifully appointed 2-bed, 2-bath condo west/amazing views of the PT. Royal Sound. This condo features newly installed HVAC, luxury vinyl flooring throughout, stainless steel appliances, light fixtures in kitchen and dining areas, newly installed living and dining room furniture and mattress sets. Unit was used as investment property/second home and is ready for long or short-term rental. Other great features are the amenities, to include the boardwalk, swings, grills, 2 outside pools, 1 indoor pool and sauna, tennis courts, fitness center, 24 hours manned security. Located mid-island, 4 minutes to airport, 7 minutes to hospital, restaurants and shopping. For more information